Hello and welcome back to Simply Divine Creations. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and I post weekly videos on bullet journaling, DIY and pretty much anything creative in between. In today's video, I'm going to be setting up my new bullet journal for the rest of 2020. So 2020 part 2. I have actually run out of pages in my current bullet journal that I'm using up until the end of July, so it is time to start a new bullet journal. And seeing as I just posted my video on how to start a bullet journal for beginners, I thought it would be good to take you along with me while I set it up. This setup is also a bit different to my initial setup at the start of 2020, as I don't need as many trackers because I've only got 5 months left of this year, so there's no point in continuing the full yearly trackers on, and also I didn't actually use some of the trackers that I thought I would at the start of this year, so I don't see the point in adding them into my new bullet journal. I also have some exciting news. We have reached 50 subscribers here on Simply Divine Creations, and I am so excited and grateful to you all. Thank you so much for supporting me. And to celebrate this milestone, I'm going to be doing a little giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video to find out the details on what you could win and how to enter. Now, without further ado, let's get creating. So the first page is the cover page, of course, and I wanted to change it up a bit from the cover page I did in my first setup. So instead of writing the numbers 2020, I decided to write the words 2020, and of course I added part 2. Next up is the year at a glance. I did a little poll over on my Instagram stories, so thank you to everyone who voted on that. I couldn't decide whether I should do a half year, as this bullet journal is really only for the second half of the year, or if I should do the full year, and the overwhelming response was do the full year, and I'm actually really glad you guys chose that because I think it would have looked kind of silly with only half a year. Next up, I had to bring over the grid spacing spread because it is so useful. I highly recommend including one of these spreads in your bullet journal if you haven't done so already. I refer to it all the time when I'm setting up spreads, so definitely had to keep that. Moving on to my weight loss tracker. If it looks like there's a lot of boxes, That's because there is. Unfortunately, due to some health conditions that I do have a fair bit of weight to lose now, but it's okay. It is what it is. Oh, and I just wanted to add that I am in no way body shaming or fat shaming. This is just for me to be healthy and feel healthy. I don't feel healthy right now, and I would like to feel healthy again. So that is why. It's nothing to do with image or social constructs or anything like that. And now the next two pages are pretty much the same, and they are both new additions to my bullet journal. So I've included an Instagram tracker and a YouTube tracker. I just thought it would be nice to track my growth, especially with now reaching 50 subscribers on YouTube, which I am so excited about. Thank you all again. I don't know how many times I've said that in this video so far, but I'm probably going to keep repeating it. So again, thank you. I just can't explain enough how grateful I am for you all for supporting me. And I'm also now just realizing that this setup is kind of just me drawing a whole lot of boxes, but they work. Oh, and after I'd finished setting up these two spreads, I kind of felt like they needed a bit more colour, so I decided to just go in with my pink Tombow and highlight the titles, Instagram and YouTube. And that is it for my 2020 bullet journal setup part 2. Here is the final flip through. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, the giveaway details. So, to celebrate reaching 50 subscribers on my channel, I'm going to be giving away a bullet journal starter kit, some post-it notes, and some pens. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, you've liked my Facebook page, and you follow me on Instagram, and then once you've done that, you've just got to come back to this video and comment done. And that's it! Also, make sure you've hit that notification bell because I will be announcing the winner of the giveaway in next week's video, so you don't want to miss that. And all links will be in the description box below, so everything will be easy for you to find. I just wanted to say another huge thank you so much for supporting me. I am so grateful to have reached 50 subscribers. It's just so exciting, and I'm just so glad that you're enjoying the content as much as I enjoy making it. Also, thank you for watching my 2020 bullet journal setup part 2. As usual, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. Thanks!